Hey, it's Jay, and today we're gonna be repairing a screen door handle. I think in Florida, things just kind of disintegrate over time, and this handle is completely broken from the inside and the out. You just can't open it at all. Dude, what are you doing?
Screen door's broken.
That's why we're making this video. I stopped by Home Depot and just picked up a standard replacement set, and it's gonna be just a really easy fix. Just a few screws will pop out and it should be, geez.
This one's broken too.
Dude, it's the same handle. Step one is just removing some of these screws. I'm just gonna do it slowly with the drill because if you go too fast, you're gonna strip the screws. You wanna make sure you don't do that. So I'm going very slowly. Otherwise, just use a screwdriver and do this by hand. And then there's one screw out here. And that's it. There's just a few parts. This is the outdoor handle that's gonna go through the door this way. There's a little spindle and a spring that you're just gonna insert in here, and then this is gonna screw right on to the outside of the door. All right, once you get to this point, there's just two little grooves that fit in on your door. If you don't have a doorknob installed at all, and you need to put a new handle on completely, or you have a new door and you need to put the handle on, there's actually a template in the box. But since we are already set up, it's pretty easy. So there you go. The last part here is just putting on the handle this side. We've got a couple of screws that came with the kit, and we just tighten it up. There we go. Perfect. Nice. Now the door is actually working perfectly, and honestly, I'd probably leave it if I wasn't making a video. But the kit actually comes with a new latch, and why not just put a brand new latch on there? So I'm gonna take this one off. And there we are. As you can see, that was a super easy job to do. It took me about 5 minutes. I think the hardest part was actually just going to Home Depot and getting the replacement part.
It's still broken.
Pull.
Oh. Guess it wasn't broken after all.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. And maybe you want to check out another video.